Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about inheritance in PHP language. What is inheritance? The child class will inherit all the public and protected properties and methods from the parent class. It can have its own child class properties and methods. An inheritance class is defined by using extends keyword. Okay, let's move to a code example, then you can get better idea about these things, and let's create some uh, class parent 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 class uh, sorry within this parent class I will add some properties, name and something called color. Okay, now within this class I will create the constructor. Within this constructor I will set the name and color, and this name equal to dollar name, and this color, sorry, color equal to dollar. Okay, now we done the constructor, and also I need the method as well. Another method called I think get info. Okay, get info. Within this get info method, I will return I return parent name is, okay, dollar this. I say we can say name. Okay, now I will add br tag to here. Otherwise, it will not good. Let's const and br equal to br. Okay, let's add that br to here and self. Sorry, br. Okay, and here my name is, and uh, parent see color is, we can add color dollar this color. Now we done our method, and now I'm going to inherit this parent class using the child class. I will add the child class using extend keyword. I will extend parent class. Now we have access to this parent class objects, public and protected objects and methods. I'm not going to cover the access modifiers because I already covered those things with different video. Please check that video to get idea about the access modifiers. Here I'm going to basically cover the inheritance and overridden and final keyword. Okay, let's create another method, function get parent info. Okay, now this is child method, and we return dollar this uh, get info. Get info is a parent method, and now we going to access this get the output from the child object. Let's create the child object equal to new child, and we need to give the constructor information because parent constructor request this information, then we have to give those information with this when we defining the child object name as a Sam, and what is that other color is let's say brown, and okay, now we echo this echo dollar child object get parent info. Okay, let's go to the browser and check the result. Yeah, as you can see, we can have access these methods and properties within the parent class. We access those using child class. Okay, this is the basic idea behind of the inheritance, and yeah, let's move to the next topic. And here it says PHP overriding inherited methods. Inherited methods can be overridden by using the same name in the child class. Okay, let's say what is it? That means we can override. That means we can override these parent methods and properties using child class. That means if we need to override this get info method, we can create within the child class. We can create the method called same name within the same name. Then it will override the parent class one. Let's override this constructor. Okay, we create here. We can create another constructor public function construct. Within this construct, we'll create different. We'll add another new parameter. Let's say it has uh, age. Okay, dollar this age equal to dollar age. Okay. Now, okay, we have to create this public property. Okay, now, right, we almost done. Now we overridden this parent constructor. When we overridden the parent constructor, now we are using the child constructor because we overridden the parent one. Then you can see if we run same code again without doing any changes, it will trigger the error because child constructor requests more than two values, parameters. Age information also need. Let's add the age information to 69 or something. Let's run this again and yeah, it's working. That means we overridden the parent constructor using child constructor. And here, the next topic is actually this is the basic example, basic idea behind of the overridden, and also let's go to the other topic. Yeah, the PHP final keyword. The final keyword can be used to prevent class inheritance or to prevent method overridden. That means if we need to prevent the the inheritance, then we can use final keyword before this class keyword. Okay, now we can't inherit this parent anymore. That means we can't use like this. That means we can't extend this parent class like this because it will trigger the error. If you run this code, you can see the uh, final class. Okay, if you run this code, I think I didn't save it. Okay, let's go. If you run this, it will trigger the error because we can't extend final with the final keyword. We can't extend classes, and also if we put this to method, let's say this constructor. Now this constructor can't overrun. It will trigger the error. Before that, we remove this and refresh this. Otherwise, now it's working now. Now I will add the final keyword to the constructor. Now we can't use this code because it will trigger the error. If you run this, as you can see, it will trigger the error. If I comment this, that means now we are not overriding the constructor. Then it will work without any issue. That is the idea behind of the final keyword. I think I have covered in here inheritance and method overriding and also final keyword. I hope you guys enjoy this video and helpful this video to you. And yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos and let's meet with the next video. Thank you very much.